In this video, I'm going to show how to remove the faceplate of the Marantz 2215B. The reason I'm removing the faceplate is because I actually dropped something behind the faceplate, and the faceplate now has to come off. Also, I'm probably going to keep this unit for myself, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit once I remove it. Now the first thing we do is pull the knobs off. And, well, it's not going that easy. Whoa. Let me go ahead and get some spoons. I think you're going to scratch something up. We can always put clear masking tape on here and then remove it afterwards. Me personally, I've never scratched anything up, so that's not really a concern for me. But so we just go ahead and slowly apply pressure, and that pulls it off. Now I don't have to show the rest. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and show how to remove the insert here, which I'm pointing at here on the right. Now what might be more difficult to get out is this threaded insert here. It has two slots, one on either side, and the way I get it out is I use something like this. This is like a sturdy guitar pick. I actually use two of them, and what I do is I basically put it in the slots, and then I go ahead and turn. It's kind of hard for me to do because I normally don't do it with the camera on like that, and then it should slowly, again, it'll slowly turn out like that, and it actually is turning. And I've almost got it far enough as to where I can actually turn it all the way out. So yeah, so it's actually, see, it's actually coming out. At least this is the easiest way for me to do it. Believe it or not, there used to be a special tool for this. Well, what about the two bolts on the left and on the right? If we want, we can put tape on the front panel here on the plate, so we don't mar anything up, and we can just use an open end wrench or a socket. I wouldn't use a set of pliers. Now I found an open end wrench. It's slightly too large, I think, but I would have to run down into the basement and dig through all my stuff to get it out. But this should go like that, and that's basically all you need to do. So hopefully this little mini video will help somebody that has a receiver like this. Actually, the only reason I made the video was basically to show how to take this threaded insert out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.